Hi everyone, welcome in. Thank you for coming. Yes, today I'm back with another product review, and this one is from an Amazon purchase that I made, and it actually is a device that will help you keep children out of unsafe areas or keep them from leaving the house when you're not looking or otherwise unattended children, which should never happen, but you know how it is. We can take our eyes off for just a split second and they're out the door. The key part of the key is to prevent them from being able to open the door. So with that said, let's get right into the product review. So this one is called, it's by QT Baby Products, and I actually got it on Amazon, and it is a door handle lock. And how this works is you take this out. They come four in a package. You take this out and you actually close this over the door handle, creating a shield and allowing you to still be able to lock the door. And then you can lock or unlock the door. And then with these two ends, the rubber, if you hold it and squeeze towards the door handle and turn, you as the adult are able to open the door. The kids, basically, it will just spin around. So how did I get to this? No, I don't have babies, but I have a loved one here with me who has dementia, and I needed to secure my sewing room because there are a lot of dangerous apparatus in that room, and I wanted to make sure that they would not go into that room and potentially try to use the machines or, have an accident and get hurt. Additionally, as you know, with dementia patients, they will tend to walk away. So I have one on the front door daily and nightly. Unless I'm using the door, this lock remains on the door handle at all times to prevent her from being able to walk away. So it has worked well because it only spins, and unless you know the mechanism and have the wherewith, strength to hold that, to grip the door handle, they wouldn't be able to get out of the door. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and show you the door handle and how, show it to you installed on the door handle and how it works. So hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so here we have the QT baby door handle lock, and this is it installed on the door. And as you can see, you can't turn it in either direction. You cannot turn the door handle, but as soon as I squeeze this and turn, then the door handle can be turned and open, and the door can be opened. But initially, they're unable to do so. You could also put this from the inside, which I have done, on the bedroom door, so that when we're asleep at night, if she did get up and I didn't hear her, she can't get out the door because this is on the inside of the door with the door locked. I would have to hear her messing with the door handle in order to get this open. So, and then to remove this, it's a click and a snap, and you can get it off, and that's it. It basically has the grooves right here that come together, and snaps one hole here. This goes in the little groove right there. You can see that. And then the top lock. And then it basically snaps together. The pieces fit together, and then it snaps on, giving you this. So as you can see, the QT baby doorknob, safety doorknob cover is effective, and you see how it's worked. It is quite simple. It's not that difficult to put on or to remove. If you needed to get in or out of the room, the rubber mechanism here allows you to hold the doorknob and turn it if you need to open it. And so it's working for me, and I would recommend it to anyone who is looking for something to secure a doorway where you don't want your children or your adult loved ones to go out the door. They do have a website. It is qtbabyproducts.com, and I'll put that link in the description below, along with the link where I found it on Amazon. And let me know if you have another device, or you've tried this device and it worked well for you as well. Leave it in the comments below, because I'm sure others are looking for ways to secure their surroundings for their children, grandchildren, dementia patients, or anyone who may be confused. Go ahead and get this, because it doesn't require you to have someone to come and install like the little latches on the door and things like this, and it's simple to use. So another DIY down, and we'll see you in the next video for the next DIY. And go ahead, like, subscribe, and share this out. Someone may be looking for something. Have a great day, and I thank you. And remember, don't let anyone tell you you can't. The only reason they would tell you is because they won't. Have a great one.